Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of March, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.73. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund lies within the lower range of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $506.03 is breached, it will likely signal a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 3.41% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -5.27% and +4.3%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 18.64%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 16.85% to 31.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $602.85 and $676.79. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline: VOO ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The VOO ETF price decreased by 1.05% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, dropping from $521.41 to $515.94. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.06%, with a low of $514.07 and a high of $519.52. The price has seen both increases and decreases during this period, resulting in a 2.74% loss over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume also decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is a positive indicator since volume typically follows the ETF. On that day, trading volume dropped by 1 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.37 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price stood at $453.90. Currently, the price is 8.51%, or $47.96, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent news highlights significant movements affecting the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, which tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index. On the 18th of March, 2025, the ETF is under scrutiny as U.S. stocks exhibit volatility, with the S&P 500 down about 1%. Market sentiment is clouded by rising recession risks and uncertainties regarding the Federal Reserve's upcoming rate decisions, which tend to influence investor confidence. However, amid these headwinds, VOO has been a favorite among investors, with substantial inflows reported last week, totaling around $22.3 billion. Such bullish activity suggests strong long-term interest in the ETF, particularly among investors seeking stable, low-cost exposure to American equities. With a low expense ratio of just 0.03%, VOO remains an appealing option for those focused on cost-effectiveness and long-term growth potential. Moreover, despite a slight year-to-date decline, VOO's impressive rally of 146% over the past 5 years underscores its resilient performance during market recoveries. The ETF provides diversified exposure, allocating approximately 70% of its assets outside of the tech sector, reducing volatility compared to tech-heavy funds. In the short term, the current market outlook could pressure VOO's price, but its positioning during corrections may also present buying opportunities for long-term investors. As the market navigates potential consolidation and looks for buyers, VOO's accessibility and historical performance may attract new inflows, providing a buffer against broader market fluctuations. Investors should keep a close watch on upcoming Fed communications, as these could significantly impact VOO's trajectory. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.75%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may influence the near-term development. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal for the fund, leading to a more negative forecast. With further gains, the fund will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $542.98. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the fund will find support from the short-term average at $514.63. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 15 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $515.51, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $5.45 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.06%. Throughout the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.44%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $530.50. If you do not currently own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $515.51. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $486.41, which reflects a decline of 5.72%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal observed from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and market movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of March, we expect VOO to open higher by 57 cents and start trading at $516.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.